guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut the upper bodice of an 18-month-old girl using pattern paper. These are the measurements I'll be using. Please note that some measurements may change depending on the particular child, so please bear that in mind when cutting your own pattern. But what I have here is a standard. These are the materials you'll be needing: ruler, French curve, tape measure, scissors, marker, and of course some pattern paper. Let's get started. First, we place the pattern paper on fold. Now we measure half an inch down from the top and draw it into a straight line. This is half an inch. Use your ruler to draw that into a straight line. Then we measure the neck width, which is 3.5. When you divide that by 2, you have 1.75. 1.75 is on this point here. That's your neck width. We mark that point along the line, and next we measure the shoulder, which is 8.5. When we divide that by 2, we get 4.25. This is the shoulder. We are going to be adding half an inch for seam allowance, so we get, when we add half an inch, we get to 4.75. From the shoulder point, which is now 4.75, this is the shoulder point. From here we come down by half an inch to get the shoulder slope. We join that to the straight line to the neck point. From this point down, we mark the armhole depth, which is 4.5. We draw this into a straight line to get the chest line, and we also draw it into a straight line, joining the shoulder slope. Next, you mark the midpoint between the armhole depths. Armhole depth is 4.5. When you divide that by 2, you get 2.25. Going at this point by half an inch, this will give you the front armhole. Now on the chest line, we put in the chest measurements. Chest is 20. When you divide that by 4, you get 5. We add 1/4 of an inch for ease. That will give us 5.25. And then we add another 1 inch for seam allowance. Now you join all these points together using your French curve. Back waist measurement is 8 inches. Add half an inch to that for seam allowance and mark down 8.5. Draw it into a straight line. Now you insert your waist measurements. waist is 21 inches. When we divide that by 4, we have 5.25 inches, which is here. Add 1 inch to that for seam allowance, and here. Draw this into a straight line. For the back neck, we measure 1.5 inches down, and for the front neck, we measure 2.75 inches down. So for the back neck, 1.5 inches down. For the front neck, 2.75 inches down. Now you use your French curve to connect the dots. And this is the pattern. Now we are going to cut it out. Remember also when cutting to add 1/2 inch here for sewing allowance, for seam allowance. First we cut out the back measurements. This is for the back pattern. Now we'll cut out the front. So here you have it, the back and front upper bodies of an 18-month-old girl. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if my video has been helpful. Thank you. Bye.